So here's how to connect Deadline Funnel to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all of the features for both the plans are the same. So to get started, click on my link in the description and log in to your Clickfunnels account. Then, you will reach the Clickfunnels dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, go over to the left panel and click on this plus icon beside Apps. Once you're here, you'll be able to see all the available apps. Now, click on Countdown Funnels. So, once you're on this page, you can click on Add App. You can also look at the details over here. So once you click on Add App, you'll be redirected to this page. And then, what you need to do is type in the new countdown event details, starting with the name. After that, go ahead and select the event type from one-time, recurring, or hybrid. Just select the type that you want. For this video, I will be going with the option recurring. So after you select your preferred option, go ahead to the next step. Here, you can set the recurrence interval. This option is only available when you select recurring. So set it and then select the recurrence unit. Here, you can select minutes, hours, or days. Go for whichever one you prefer. Then, you need to go over to the advanced settings section. Here, set the details for allow register after days. So, set this up according to your requirements. I will go with 30 days for this tutorial. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on Create Countdown Event. So once it's done loading up, you will get this notification on the top right that Countdown Event was successfully created. And once it's done, go over to the left panel and click on Countdown Timers. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. So once you're in the Countdown Timers page, here, click on Let's Go, and then click on Create Countdown Timer. So now, on the next page, you will need to customize your new countdown timer. And as you can see, there are a lot of options available. And here on the top bar, you can set the name for your timer. So go ahead and type in your desired name. After that, go through and choose any of the templates. Once you find the one you like, click on Choose. Now, let's go ahead and click on Create Countdown Timer on the top right. So after that, what you will need to do is customize this section. Here, you can set the counter font size. Just click on these icons to move them up or down. And right below it, you can see Counter Font Color. From here, you can set the color of the fonts for your counter. You can also use these options to regenerate, edit, or delete the colors. Then, go over to Labels right below it. Here, you can see multiple options like Show Days, Show Hours, Show Minutes, and Show Seconds. Just go through these options and you can enable or disable each of them individually according to your preferences. And once you're done, just scroll through the other options and set them if you want to make any changes. Next, click on Background. This is where you can set the background color for your countdown timer. So set them according to your preference, or you can also use a background image. Just click on Select Image. So as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. You can also click on Upload Images and select the image from your computer. And as you can see, the image that we selected is being uploaded onto Clickfunnels. So now, it has been uploaded, selected, and it will be put on the background section. So once it's done, just go ahead and click on Update, or you can also go over to Expiration and set this as well. So now click on Update Countdown Timer. So once it loads up, you can see the update notification on the top right corner. And once it's done, just go over to the left panel. From here, click on Funnels from the top. And once you're in the Funnel section, go over to the top right and click on Create Funnel. And after that, you will get to see this page. This is where you can select the type of funnel you want to create. So go through the options and choose the one that you want to use. For this video, I will go ahead and click on Lead Funnels. So here, just click on Select. And now, once you're in this page, when you scroll down, you will get to see step 1 and 2. After that, if you scroll down further, you will get to see available templates. So, click on Select Funnel from the template that you like. After that, you will get to see this pop-up that says Installing your new funnel. So wait till it gets done. Sometimes it might take a little while. So once it's done installing, you will get to see this. So after that, click on Customize Now. Then just wait for this page to load up. And once you're in the next page, you will get to see your squeeze page right here. Then there is a thank you page. Now, just go over and click on the 3 dots beside the thank you page. Then scroll through the options and click on Manage Countdown Events. So here on the right panel, you will get the option to select Calendar Event. So select the one that you want to change. After that, click on the drop-down on Not Registered Action. Then just select the option that you want. From here, I will go with Register Visitor on Page View. Here, you can also set the past deadline redirect URL. Just click on the drop-down and choose from the options. So once you're done making all the changes, go ahead and click on Attach. And as you can see, the calendar event has been attached, and all the details are set according to your preference. So after that, if you look over to your thank you page, you will get to see these 2 icons. First one is for Edit Attached Events, and this one indicates that the calendar event attached is not set up to display. Now, let's go over and click on Edit on the top. Now, just wait for this page to load up. And as you can see, sometimes it may take a while. So, just be patient and wait it out. And once it loads up, you can see that we're now in the thank you page. Here, you can customize the page like clicking on Add Element. After that, go over to the right panel and scroll through to see all the options. Here, scroll down to Collections and click on Countdown. And after selecting Countdown, as you can see, the countdown timer has been added to your thank you page just like that. And if you click on it, you will get to see these options on the right panel. From here, you can customize your timer according to your preference, like your timer type. Then, if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of options that you can set. Now, let's scroll up to the top. Here, as you can see, my timer type is selected as Calendar Event. Then, you can set the expire action by choosing from the options. Also, you can set the margins for your timer. You can also make additional changes to the page. For example, you can drag and drop the button above and put it in a position that you like. You can also make changes to other elements like the text and also how they look. You can format each and every element to fit your vibe. So go through all the available options and make all the customizations required with both your countdown section and also the other elements on the page. You can also use this move button to drag and drop individual parts of the page. And if you want to delete something, just click on the delete option and it will be gone. So this way, make all the necessary changes, and once you're done, just click on Save on the top right corner. And that is exactly how to connect Deadline Funnel to Clickfunnels.